Hello students, how are you? You are welcome to Alnok School of Mathematics. Sudeep sir Math here, discussing about a problem of our equation for JEE level. Okay, let's see the problem. The equation is like the number of integral roots of the equation x to the power 8 minus 24 x to the power 7 minus 18 x to the power 5 plus 39 x square plus 1155 equal to 0. So number of integral roots required, and options are given: a equal to 0, b equal to 2, c equal to 4, d equal to 6. So number of integral solutions is required, that is how many integral solutions are possible. Okay, let's check. So it is given x to the power 8 minus 24 x to the power 7, 18 x to the power 5 plus 39 x square plus 1155 equal to 0. It is 0. Now we can take common from this, x square common. So it will be x to the power 6 minus 24 x to the power 5 minus 18 x to the power 3 plus 39 equal to minus 1155. You can write this x to the power 6 minus 24 x to the power 5, 18 x cube plus 39 equal to minus 1155. Now we will factorize this 1155. So take 5 2 10, 5, 15, 1. Now it will be divisible by 11, 21. So divisible by 3, 7. So this can be written x square bracket x to the power 6, 24 x to the power 5 minus 18 x cube plus 39 equal to minus, and 1 is also there for 7, this is 1, and this can be written equal to minus 11 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1. So the value 1155 can be written like this: 11 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 this. Now since the product of these two, check it, product of these two equal to this. These all are prime, and it must be any one of the value of x square will be this. It must be minimum. Any one of the value will be this. Okay. Now check if x square equal to 11, then x equal to root 11. But number of integral roots. So this is not an integral root. If we take x square equal to minus 11, then also it is not a real. X equal to root over of minus 11, it is not real also. Not real. So we will not get real solution if we take x square equal to 11 or minus 11. Similarly, we check x square equal to 7 implies that x equal to root 7. It is not integral. X square equal to minus 7. So it is not integral. This is not integral. X square equal to 5. X equal to root 5. Not integral solution. And x square equal to minus 5. This is also imaginary, not integral solution. If x equal to 3, then x square equal to 3, then x equal to root 3. This is also not integral solution. X square equal to minus 3. This is not integral solution. Only the thing we can get from 1. So from this value 11, 7, 5 or 3, we are not getting any integral solution because x required integer. So this root 7, root 5, root 3, whatever, not integer, and these are the imaginary, not integer. Now we have to check for 1. If x equal to x square equal to 1, if x square equal to 1, we can get integral solution plus minus 1, and if x square equal to minus 1, not real. So from this we will not get integer. If from x square equal to minus 1 we will not get integer. From this only we can get integer. Okay. Now we have to check this whether it is true or not. So if x square equal to 1, we get x equal to either 1 or minus 1. Okay. So we may get real solution, integral solution, either 1 or minus 1. We may get, but we have to check it. Okay. Now x may 1 or minus 1. Okay. Now we have to check. LHS and RHS. If x equal to 1, LHS will be 1 square, that is 1 minus 24 minus 18 plus 39. If x equal to 1, this will be the value 1, that is 1 minus 1. X value of x is 1. That's why this is 24, 18, etc. So this will be 40 minus this 42, that is minus 2, not equal to minus 1155. So x equal to 1 does not satisfy. This is not equal to minus 1155. But that is LHS not equal to RHS for x equal to 1. For x equal to 1, LHS not equal to RHS. Okay. So this is not valid. So this is also not valid. So x not equal to 1. This is not valid. Again we will check by taking minus 1. If x equal to minus 1, now this will be minus 1 LHS minus 1 whole square, and this is even power, So it will be 1. This is odd power plus 24. This is odd power plus 18 and plus 39. Clear? So this is 39. This is positive. Minus 1 whole square is 1. So this is 40 plus 42, say 82. But RHS is minus 1155. So this also does not satisfy. This also does not satisfy. So no integral value will satisfy this equation. Okay? No integral value will satisfy this equation. So your option will be 0. A. We have checked all the conditions, but no integral value satisfies this condition. So your answer will be option A, 0. Okay? Hope you all understood this well. Okay? Thank you.